2 tablespoons of water.
Icing time.
Ready? You watch Mummy. Watch Mummy. You see what I put in there?
Well, it looks like yesterday's cake mix, doesn't it?
Okie dokie.
You remember how good that was?
Okay.
Yeah.
What we want to do, Ruben,
Whoa.
is put it on the cake. I'll give you a knife. Like this. Have this.
You can give him a knife.
You watch, Mummy, look. Ooh. You're going to get something else, another knife, are you? It's quite runny, this one. It's going to go all over the place.
What are you doing, Ruben?
You're looking for something else to use rather than just a plain old knife, aren't you? Oh, wow. We're going to be good, and we can, this could be interesting. Do you like this and go like that? Can you do that? Good boy. Not with your fingers, please. No, you just want to taste it, hey? Okay. I'll put some strawberries around the edges like this. Okay. Do you want to try a strawberry with it? No, not off the cake. Here, I'm going to give you this one. Try the strawberries. Yummy. No.
No, you don't like strawberries.
Okay, you put it back on the cake. Good boy.
That's it, right in
You
the
put
middle.
another one on the cake, sweetie. That's it.
Good job. Good boy.
Do you think Gran will like this cake? Maybe?
No. Yeah. It tasted a bit funny by the time it got there, wouldn't it?
More what? Oh, you want more of those. You want to put some more on there? Oh, I think that might be enough now, sweetie.
Good job.
Lots and lots of them.
Hey, Ruben, up here. Ha! You got something, a bit of something on your upper lip.
You've got some chocolate all over your face. You're like a little Hitler. Yeah. Some more there, sweetie. Okay, do you think this cake is finished now? Is it finished, Ruben? You want to put the last one on? On there? Good boy. There you go.
Very good. Pretty.
Oh, we need to